Upcycle and Thrift with Shabs. I'm Shabs. My business is called Welcome to ShabAlot. I am working on thrift haul number, I don't know. The one with the bed tray, full coats of DIY paint. The color is called, I'm drawing a blank, Cake Batter. It's called Cake Batter. AOD transfer called Wallflower. Look how beautiful that's going to be. A huge bed tray. It's very heavy. This is a large piece, a YouTube video that I know I keep saying I'm going to make, and I will once all of these things are done. This is a full and complete, beautiful, huge red flower. So you can see why this is taking me a long time, why I don't have my video up yet. I'm cutting out these flowers. That looks good, right you guys? To remove the backing, I have gonna do it. I'm not gonna freak, because now I need to find that brayer again. I'm gonna rub this on. I've not sealed this yet. You rub it on. And I like to pull up a piece of the corner, because I find that when I do it that way, the transfer tends to come off easier and faster. But I don't want to ruin it, so I have to be careful. Show you my upcycling. So this is the bed tray part of haul number, I don't know. I think it's haul number 3. So see, I don't know. I find that when I lift up a corner here, it works a little bit better. So I'm gonna lift it like this. That's already on. Almost done, you guys. So cool. See how when I lift it, it seems to work better. I don't know why. It must be a gravity thing. Look, there's none left on here. There we go. So it's all off. We have a nice clean sheet. The beginnings of my upcycle for this beautiful bed tray. Please say hello, and that YouTube video for haul number, I think 3, should be done, I don't know when, but I'm trying, you guys. So thank you for joining and have a good night. Bye-bye.